This new Chinese AI model is insane. This new Chinese AI model is insane. It just replaced an entire industry with one single model. And the crazy part, nobody is talking about it yet. So let me show you exactly what it does, why it matters, and how you can use it right now. Today, I'm going to show you a brand new AI model that just dropped out of China. It's called Qianfan OCR. And honestly, it's one of the wildest things I've seen in AI this year. This thing reads documents like a human, tables, charts, formulas, invoices, you name it. One model does it all, no complicated setup, no messy tools, just pure clean results. And by the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly why this changes everything. So let me break it down for you. First, you need to understand the problem. Right now, if you want AI to read a document like a PDF or an invoice, you need a whole chain of tools. You need one tool to figure out the layout, another tool to read the text, another tool to understand the text, and then maybe another tool to give you a clean output. That's 4 or 5 different steps. And here's the thing, every single step can break, every single step can mess up. And when one step fails, the whole thing falls apart. It's like building a house of cards, one wrong move, and it all comes down. And this is what most businesses are dealing with right now. Messy pipelines, broken workflows, hours wasted fixing errors. It's a nightmare. And I know this because at my agency, we deal with documents all day long, SEO reports, client data, invoices, contracts. The amount of time spent just getting AI to read stuff properly is wild, but that's about to change. And here's why. Baidu, one of the biggest tech companies in China, just dropped this model called Qianfan OCR. It's a 4 billion parameter model. And what it does is simple but insane. It takes that entire pipeline I just told you about and crushes it down into one single model. One step, one pass, done. You feed it a document, any document, a table, a chart, a scanned receipt, a research paper in any of 192 languages, and it spits out clean, structured data, Markdown, JSON, whatever you need. No chain of tools, no pipeline, no mess. Just one model that does everything. Now let me tell you the feature that really blew my mind. And stick around because this is the part nobody else is going to explain to you. It's called layout as thought. And when I first read about it, I had to read it twice because it sounded too good to be true. So here's how it works. Before this model even reads a single word on your document, it thinks about the layout first. It looks at the whole page. It figures out where the tables are, where the headers are, where the columns start and stop. It draws invisible bounding boxes around everything. And only then does it start reading. Think about that for a second. It's like chain of thought reasoning, but for documents. And the model literally thinks before it reads. That's why it's so accurate. It's not just guessing, it's planning, it's understanding the structure of the document before it pulls any information out. And that's a game changer. Now, here's where it gets even crazier. This model is beating some of the biggest names in AI right now. On the benchmarks, it's outperforming models from Google and other major players, and it's doing it with just 4 billion parameters. That's tiny compared to most large language models, which means it's faster, it's lighter, and it's way easier to run. And here's what I want you to think about. This isn't just about OCR anymore. This is about a whole new way AI interacts with documents. This is document intelligence. Let me explain what I mean. Right now, most AI tools read documents like a scanner. They just pull text off a page, but Qianfan OCR doesn't just read, it understands. You can ask it questions about the document. You can tell it to extract specific data. You can tell it to summarize a table. You can tell it to pull out key figures, and it does it in one pass with one model. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, okay, Julian, this sounds cool, but how does this actually help me? Let me give you some real use cases. Number one, legal documents. If you're a lawyer, or you work with contracts, imagine feeding a 50-page contract into this model and getting back a clean summary with every key clause highlighted. No more reading through pages and pages of legal text, done in seconds. Number two, business reports. If you run a company, imagine feeding your quarterly reports into this model and getting back clean, structured data you can drop straight into a spreadsheet. No more manual data entry, no more copy-paste errors. Number three, research papers. If you're a student or a researcher, imagine feeding a dense academic paper into this model and getting back the key findings, the methodology, and the conclusions in clean bullet points. Hours of reading done in seconds. Number four, receipts and invoices. If you run a business, imagine feeding every receipt and invoice into this model and getting back organized data ready for your systems. No more shoebox of receipts. No more headaches. Number five, AI agents reading PDFs. This is the big one. If you're building AI workflows or automations, This model can sit inside your pipeline and handle all the document reading for you. One model, no complexity, just plug it in and go. Now, here's the bigger picture, and this is really important. This model is part of a much larger trend in AI right now. We're moving away from messy pipelines where you need 5 or 6 different tools chained together. And we're moving towards single models that do everything. One model that sees, reads, understands, and acts. That's the future. And Qianfan OCR is one of the first models to really nail this for documents. Now, I want to be straight with you because I always keep it real on this channel. This model is not perfect. It's a 4 billion parameter model, which means it's still heavy if you're trying to run it on basic hardware. It's not going to nail every single complex layout perfectly, and it's still early stage tech. So don't go throwing out all your other tools just yet. But as a signal of where things are headed, this is massive. Okay, so let me tell you why China keeps dropping these insane models. And this is something most people are completely ignoring. While everyone is focused on what's happening in Silicon Valley, China is quietly building some of the most powerful document AI and vision language models on the planet. Baidu alone has been pushing the boundaries on this stuff for years, and Qianfan OCR is just the latest example. Here's what you need to understand. The AI race is not just about chatbots. It's not just about who has the best large language model. It's about who can build models that actually do useful work in the real world. And reading documents, that's one of the most useful things AI can do for businesses. Every company on Earth deals with documents, every single one. So whoever cracks document intelligence first gets a massive edge. And right now, Baidu is making a serious move. Now, let me give you the quick breakdown of what makes this model different from everything else out there. Old school OCR uses multiple steps. Detect the layout, recognize the text, understand the meaning. Each step is a separate model. Each step can fail. Qianfan OCR does all of that in one single pass, one model, one step, clean output. That's the difference. It's simpler, it's faster, and it's more accurate. And the fact that it supports 192 languages means this isn't just for English documents. If you're working with global clients, multilingual reports, or international data, this model handles it. That's huge for anyone running an international business. So what should you do with this information? Here's my advice. Keep your eyes on this model. Go check out the Hugging Face page. Read the research paper on Archive. Start testing it with your own documents because the people who learn these tools early are the ones who get the biggest advantage. That's always how it works. Early movers win. And look, this is just one example of the kind of AI breakthroughs that are happening every single week right now. The speed of innovation is insane.